Hey, get up, right? Cable, suit up. Baby, you better suit up. Look who caught up. We're all up.
Redcoats are coming. Let's go.
Battling in Lexington and Concord as the Redcoats run to Boston, watch them drop. Our militia's gonna get you if you want war. Texan without asking has to stop. Our stock of ammunition's hidden deeply. Blooded backs go back to Britain peacefully. Until King George III ran into our muskets. We're good with the self-governing we got. So General Gage reopened up our harbor here in Boston. Before he get tired and feathered like some customs officer. You're the sons of liberty, or remedy, or martial laws. Clear us patriots, find your racks, intolerable you saws.
Protests and riots, showing defiance, scaring the statement until he's resigning. Parliament's trying to stickers with stamps, put on all our papers like whatever buying. We started uniting by forming the stamp bag, Congress state, your faraway island. Can do the deciding, cause our representation missing, so it's time for boycott organizing.
Don't buy their clothes.
We're buying colonial goods, British French price, get the boot. You lose revenue, the act is repealed, going nothing's got us quartering your troops.
Duties on paint, lit and tea there in Ports Townsend, head us dodging too. We're stopping your trade. Our women spinning linen, shoulder shop is not involving you.
Which resists you more than riots do. We get the lower class involved in politics, it's new. Don't ship soldiers over to control us, an angry crowd to start a fatal feud.
Let's go.
Hating turns to chaos and their shots fired. Spin the news so we can prove we've had enough. When the soldiers needed lawyers, Cousin John's hired. He gave a good defense and they got off. It's rotten like East India Company tea. Thought we'd drink it if you sold it cheaply. But since you're taxing it and bypassing our merchants, we'll sip it with the fish and eat the cost. Pay us back and put an end to this rebellion. Don't send those delegates to Philadelphia. They'll get your Continental Congress message messed up. All your loyalists love our force. We kicked the fan off the continent that war was entangling Indians. First shots were fired when militiamen from Virginia, led by some young Yankee doodle named George Washington, fought to back up our Ohio Valley claims. France ceded Canada, they can burn Fort Duquesne, cause we built Fort Pitt, we'd even get Florida from Spain. Obey the proclamation of 63 and stop sending wars. Don't say it's tyranny, just accept you're not allowed to live west of the Appalachians. Help us pay this debt we ran up just to keep your land safe. And if you're stealing arms, we'll know. Here we come to find them, though our covers blow.
Let's go.
Battling in Lexington and Concord as the Redcoats run to Boston, watch them drop. Our militia's gonna get you if you want war. Texan without asking has to stop. Our stock of ammunition's hidden deeply. Blooded backs go back to Britain peacefully. Until King George III ran into our muskets. We're good with the self-governing we got.